Welcome to a groundbreaking session on how the YMCA might use ChatGPT, a transformative tool reshaping our daily work and future outlook. In this training, we'll embark on an exciting journey to understand ChatGPT's essence and its potential to enhance our YMCA work. This journey is not solely about technology, but revolutionizing how we connect, solve problems, and serve our communities. Our training goal is straightforward: to explore how ChatGPT, an advanced AI tool, can be seamlessly integrated into YMCA CEOs' daily operations like yourselves. Our agenda is designed to guide us through ChatGPT's multifaceted world. Understanding ChatGPT, we'll start with the basics, introducing what ChatGPT is and what it isn't. Anticipated disruptions. Next, we'll explore how ChatGPT is expected to transform our operations, enhancing member engagement and streamlining administrative tasks. Lastly, we'll dive into hands-on demonstrations to see ChatGPT in action, showcasing its assistance in everything from drafting communications to program development. What is ChatGPT? At its core, ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI, akin to a personal virtual assistant that understands and generates human-like text based on extensive training data. This tool can write emails, draft proposals, generate creative content, and offer complex problem suggestions, all conversationally. What ChatGPT is not. ChatGPT isn't a smart search engine. Unlike traditional search engines that fetch and rank existing information, ChatGPT generates responses based on its training for a unique, conversational interaction. Where can you find ChatGPT? For those eager to explore and use ChatGPT, it's readily accessible through a web URL for computers or by downloading its app for phones. See links to both on this slide. Note, you can use the QR code to find the site too. The rapid rise of ChatGPT not only highlights its technological marvel, but also signals a significant shift in AI interaction, a phenomenon in adoption. Imagine a technology so impactful it reaches 1 million users not in years, but days. ChatGPT achieved this milestone just 5 days after launch, compared to Facebook's 10 months and Netflix's 3.5 years. Reaching 100 million users took just 2 months, a stark contrast to Facebook's 4.5 years and Netflix's 10 years. As mentioned, ChatGPT is not a search engine. Understanding this difference is key to leveraging its full potential. Search engines operate by indexing information, then using ranking algorithms to present a list of existing web pages. They're incredibly powerful for fetching a wide range of information, but are limited to presenting what already exists. Large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT, on the other hand, generate responses based on a vast dataset it was trained on. OpenAI is continuously updating ChatGPT's capabilities. Here are some of the most recent enhancements. Context length, improved ability to remember and utilize more conversation history. More control, adjustments in tone, style, and detail level for a wide range of tasks. Better knowledge, constant updates to ChatGPT's knowledge base, providing more current information and insights. New modalities, beyond text, integrating new modalities like image understanding and generation opens creative avenues for programming, marketing, and educational content. Customization and high rate limits, enhanced integration into our operational workflows with customization options and higher usage limits. We're at the transformation cusp, exhilarating and transformative. AI, with ChatGPT at the forefront, is set to change not just our internal operations, but also our external engagements. Internal enhancements, from a ChatGPT-powered chatbot at the front desk to AI assistants in planning and problem solving in the back office and tailoring member experiences. External disruptions, transforming everyday tasks into interactive experiences and innovating service offerings with AI-supported programs. Getting ready for AI involves moving towards AI-ready principles, preparing our data, and implementing robust security measures. As we look to the future, it's not a question of if AI will transform the YMCA, but how we will harness its potential to enhance our mission, operations, and community impact. Here is a specific example that epitomizes our AI-ready principle. Respect privacy. Prioritize data security. Align with inclusivity and transparency. Accountability in AI-driven decisions. You might even call this a policy. ChatGPT is not just a tool, but a multifaceted assistant capable of improving various work aspects: board development and volunteerism, fundraising and financial management, HR and facility management, programs and membership engagement. Beyond operational support, ChatGPT's role extends into becoming an assistant, consultant, researcher, and more, assisting in creating agendas, budgets, strategic plans, marketing plans, press releases, social media content, and offering crisis communication support, data analysis, and grant writing assistance. Now, let's see a couple of examples of ChatGPT in action. First, consider a scenario where a sports director at the Blue Ash YMCA is tasked with creating a 6-week schedule for a boys' youth baseball league for ages 10 to 12. Using the prompt formula, she adds. The context: you're the sports director at the Blue Ash YMCA. Specific details: 12 teams, ages 10 to 12, season start date, game, and practice times. Intent/goal: create a fair and manageable schedule. Format: a structured weekly schedule. Let's see what it creates. Notice the detail and speed. With such little information, once you have the schedule, you can also use it to draft a letter to parents, create a marketing plan, outline a training program for coaches, and translate communications, broadening your outreach. Finally, let's delve into YMCA governance. Imagine you're the CEO of the Sterling Family YMCA in Illinois, looking to increase board participation in donations, volunteering, and meeting attendance. In shorter order, it creates a detailed plan. This example showcases how ChatGPT can be leveraged for both operational tasks and strategic leadership initiatives, enhancing board effectiveness and cohesion. You can continue to ask ChatGPT to draft an email for the chair and governance committee members with plan details, and even create slides for a board meeting. As we wrap up today's exploration of ChatGPT's transformative potential, I want to emphasize 2 key actions: practice and protection. Practice: the more you engage with ChatGPT, the better you'll understand its capabilities and tailor them to your needs. Protection of confidential information: as we embrace ChatGPT's advantages, we must also be vigilant about data privacy and security. Do not upload sensitive or private information. By balancing diligent practice with a commitment to protecting confidential information, we can safely and effectively integrate ChatGPT into our workflows. This approach ensures responsible AI technology leverage, aligning with our values and mission to foster a supportive, inclusive, and secure environment for everyone in our YMCA community. Thanks for joining me. FYI, this voiceover was generated by AI, and the script was written with the help of ChatGPT.